more than ever is the time that we all need to strengthen our body's immune system. With the recent news of a new strand of virus out there, you have to know that protecting and boosting your immune system is extremely important, even if vaccinated. You see, your immune system is your first line of defense to protect you from falling ill. And if your immune system is strong enough, it can give a virus, bacteria, or pathogen a good fight and win. One of the most powerful and scientifically proven ingredients to boost your immune system is with turmeric, or the active compound in it, curcumin. And today I'm going to show you how to make golden milk, which originated in India. So for centuries, the Indian culture has been using golden milk, also known as haldi doodh, as their health remedy for everything. Now, there are tons of science-based benefits of golden milk. Interestingly, cinnamon, ginger, and turmeric, the three key ingredients in golden milk, all have potent anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation, alleviate joint pain, improve digestion, reduce the risk of heart disease, lower blood sugar levels, and improve insulin sensitivity. It also can help clear up your skin and reduce allergies. It also can benefit your brain and help to alleviate symptoms of depression. So let me show you now how to make this drink. So I'm using 1.5 cups of milk, almond, oat, or cashew, whichever one you prefer. We're using half a teaspoon of ground or fresh turmeric. We're using half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, which is the highest quality cinnamon that you could find. We're going to be using ginger. I'm using fresh ginger, but you can use a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger and a 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil. It's a good fat that helps with nutrient absorption. And now we're going to mix all of this together for about 10 minutes till it comes to somewhat of a boil. Now, we're also needing to put honey in our drink. First, I'm going to strain it, and then I'm going to use my natural shilajit resin honey that I use all the time. I'm always showing you guys these honey sticks because they're wonderful. One, it's raw honey, and it has natural shilajit resin in it, which helps your metabolism, your energy, even weight loss. And so we're going to add a pinch of black pepper. The piperine in black pepper helps with nutrient absorption, and we're going to put 1 tablespoon of honey or 1 honey stick. Always put your honey in once your drink cools down. And there you have your golden milk. It's tasty, it's creamy, the honey gives it just enough sweet. This is what you need for your immune system.